Hello student, welcome my channel. Today I solve some problem of SND of this chapter. Let us see. If A equals to Aij is a 2 cross 2 matrix such that Aij equals to I plus 2j, then A will be, that is A is a matrix is given 2 cross 2, where each and every element of this 2 cross 2 matrix, which is denoted as Aij, is a relation I plus 2j. Then evaluate the matrix A. Here A is a matrix 2 cross 2, that is A equals to Aij, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 is a element which is first row, first column. A12 is the element first row, second column. A21 is element second row, first column. A22 is the element second row, second column. Given that Aij, that is equals to I plus 2j. First we consider A11, that is I equals to 1, j equals to 1. Just we substitute I equals to 1, j equals to 1, we get 3. A12 where I equals to 1, j equals to 2. And we put this relation I equals to 1, j equals to 2, 2. That is 1 plus 2 into 2, that is 5. A21 equals to 2 plus 2 into 1, that is equals to 4. A22, that is 2 plus 2 into 2, that is equals to 6. So we get A11 equals to 3, A12 equals to 5, A21 equals to 4, A22 equals to 6. Therefore matrix will be 3, 5, 4, 6. So answer is C. Second question, question number 10. If A equals to Aij is a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are Aij equals to half of I plus 2j whole square, then A will be. This question comes CBSE 2007. You just observe here A is a matrix Aij, that is 2 cross 2 matrix. So what is the element of the matrix? You just at first consider. Here A equals to Aij 2 cross 2, that is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. So we evaluate this element A11, where A11 where I equals to 1, j equals to 1, A12 I equals to 1, j equals to 2, A21 I equals to 2, j equals to 1, A22 I equals to 2, j equals to 2. And we just substitute ij value in the given relation. Here Aij equals to half of I plus 2j whole square, that is A11 I equals to 1, j equals to 1 we put, the half of 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square. Simplify, we get 9 by 2. A12 I equals to 1, j equals to 2, that is half of 1 plus 2 into 2 a whole square, that is equals to 25 by 2. A21, that is half of 2 plus 2 into 1 a whole square, that is equals to 8. A22, that is half of 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square, that is equals to 18. A11, A12, A21, A22 we get. Therefore we can write the matrix A, that is 9 by 2, A12 25 by 2, A21 that is 8, A22 that is equals to 18. So correct option is A. Next question. Question number 12. If Aij, that is equals to Aij, small aij, is a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij that is equals to half of modulus of 3i minus 4j, then A will be. See this solution. Here A equals to Aij 2 cross 3 matrix. What is the element of this matrix? You at first write 2 cross 3, that is 2 row 3 column. In this matrix contains 2 row 3 column. Elements of this matrix are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. And we just evaluate each and every element of this matrix with the help of this relation. Here Aij that is equals to half of modulus of 3i minus 4j. তাহলে A11 that is equals to half of modulus of 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1. That is, if we simplify, we get half. A12 that is equals to I equals to 1, j equals to 2. We put this relation and ultimately we get half of 3 into I minus 4 into 2. And if we take modulus, we can get 5 by 2. A13 that is I equals to 1, j equals to 3. So we put this value in this relation and we get A13 that is half of 3 into 1 minus 4 into 3 mod, that is equals to 9 by 2. A21 I equals to 2, j equals to 1, that is half of modulus of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 1, we get 1. A22 that is half of modulus of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 2, that is equals to 1. A23 that is equals to half of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3, that is equals to 3. So therefore we get each and every value of this element A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and we substitute these values the matrix A, that is equals to A11 that is equals to half, A12 that is equals to 5 by 2, A13 that is equals to 9 by 2, A21 1, A22 1, A23 3. So this is the matrix. So correct option is A. Next question. If the matrix 1 4 2 0 equals to the matrix x y square z 0, where y less than 0, then x minus y plus z is equal to this. Since matrix 1 4 2 0 is equal to the matrix x y square z equal z0, we apply the property equality of matrices. Theoretically, we know that when the two matrices are equal, therefore we can say the corresponding element must be equal. That is, A11 must be equals to B11, A12 must be equals to B12, A21 must be equals to B21, A22 must be equals to B22. Then by the properties of equality of two matrices, we can write x equals to 1, y square equals to 4, z equals to 2. If y square equals to 4, we can get y equals to plus minus 2. But according to the problem, y less than 0. So we take the value y equals to minus 2. So therefore, x equals to 1, y equals to minus 2, z equals to 2. If we put this relation x minus y plus z, we simplify, we get the value of this expression is equals to 5. So correct option is A. Next, question number 18. If A minus 2B equals to 1537 and twice A minus 3B equals to minus 2507, then matrix B is equal to dash. That means to say that from these two relations, we evaluate the B matrix. See the solution. Here, A minus 2B is a matrix 1537. Multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get 2 into A minus 4B, that is equals to 2 into this matrix 1 5 3 7. And if we multiply a constant with a matrix, then each and every element of the matrix is multiplied with that constant. So therefore 2 is multiplied each and every element of the matrix, that is we get 2 10 6 14. This is equation 1. Another equation twice A minus 3B, that is equals to minus 2 5 0 7. This is equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, we write 2 minus 1, that is twice A minus 3B minus of twice A minus 4B. If we multiply, we get the twice A minus 3B minus 2B plus 4B, that is equals to this matrix minus 2 5 0 7 minus this matrix 2 10 6 14. And if we subtract here, the two matrix are of same order, and we can subtract these two matrix. And if we subtract corresponding element, subtract minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4, 5 minus 10, that is equals to minus 5, 0 minus 6, that is equals to minus 6, 7 minus 14, that is equals to minus 7. So therefore B matrix equals to minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. So correct option is A. Next, if A equals to 4 2 minus 1 1, then A minus twice I into A minus thrice I is equal to dash. We just evaluate A minus twice I, again A minus thrice I, then we multiply. Since A equals to 4 2 minus 1 1, then A minus twice I, that is equals to 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 into identity matrix. As A matrix is the 2 cross 2 identity matrix, therefore here I is also 2 cross 2. Therefore 2 into 1 0 0 1, that is equals to 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 0 0 2. And if we simplify, we get 2 2 minus 1 minus 1. Again A plus A minus thrice I, A 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. As A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we consider I is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 0 3. And if we subtract these two matrices, ultimately we get 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. So here A minus twice I into A minus thrice I. Now we multiply. We get A minus twice I is a matrix 2 2 minus 1 1. A minus thrice I is also a matrix. We get 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. We multiply these two matrices. Here two matrices are square matrix. So these two matrices are confirmed rule for multiplication. Therefore we just multiply row column. First row of the first matrix multiplied with the first column and second column respectively, and we get two corresponding multiplication, 2 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. First row second column, 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2. Second row first column, minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Second row second column, minus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2. And if we simplify, we get 0 0 0 0. So this is a null matrix. So A minus twice I into A minus thrice I is a null matrix. Answer correct option is C. Next, if A is a square matrix such that A square equals to A, then I plus A whole cube minus 7A is equal to dash. Now I plus A whole cube minus 7A. We apply here A plus B whole cubed. We apply the formula A plus B whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And we apply this and we get I cube plus 3I square a plus 3I into a square plus a cube minus 7a. I cube, that is equals to I, and I square always I, and if we multiply I with a, we ultimately get the matrix A. So this is 3a, and 3I into a square, that is we get 3 into a square plus a cube minus 7a, that is equals to I plus 3a square. Actually given that a square, that is equals to a, so we just put here a square equals to a, or a cube can be written as, here a cube can be written as a square into a square equals to a into a, that is a square. Again we put a square equals to a, then ultimately a cube equals to a, here we put a cube equals to a in this line, minus 7a, and if we simplify we get 3a plus a, that equals to 7a minus 7a deducted, ultimately we get I. So I plus a whole cube minus 7a, that is equals to I. So correct option is C. Thank you, student.